Desktop Connector for BIM 360 provides a connection between your local files and the Document Management module. This makes the Document Management module available in your desktop folder and file structure for easy file management. The advantage of the Desktop Connector over the standard browser upload method is that you can upload multiple files, large datasets, and also folders with enclosed files automatically. It's also important to note that depending on the BIM 360 service you're using, it will require the Desktop Connector to be installed. As a student, your document management files will be replicated in a connected drive. You can then manage files in the document management through the connected drive just as you would with any other folder on your PC. Changes made on your desktop are then automatically uploaded to document management. The following image shows on the left the Desktop Connector in my Windows Explorer. You can see that this replicates the same folder structure that exists in the Document Management module within BIM 360. When using the Desktop Connector for BIM 360, it's important to note that the connector only works with project files. If your account has no data in project files, then it won't show up in the Desktop Connector data source. File paths longer than 256 characters are not supported. Please try to ensure that you do not exceed this 256 character limit by having long folder names and long file names. The context menu under the right-click functionality currently only supports open, delete, download, lock and rename functionality.